Hello, guys. Welcome to this channel. Today, it's your boy, the Kings on the planet again. I want to walk you through the step by step on how to start this very new testnet project of Audi wallets. So, stay tuned as I'll be walking you through on how to do this. Don't forget to register through the link down in the comment section, or you check the link in my bio. If you use this link, you're going to have a lot of opportunity to reach community, and as well, the your farming opportunity will be very high, and you'll be given a sum of percentage for being part of a rich community. So for this reason, I implore you to stay tuned and make sure you use the link. So don't forget as well to like this video and share the video if this interests you. Please, I love you guys. So let's start. So the first thing we need to do is to download the application. So after downloading the application, you are going to see two things right here, which is testnet and the mainnet. So this is testnet program. You are going to click on the testnet. So after clicking on the testnet, it will ask you to log in. So if you have your ID before, so if you don't have your ID before, then you're going to click on sign up. So by clicking on sign up, so you're going to click on agree all right here. So you're going to click on agree all. So next, you're going to click on next. So you're going to provide your email address. Want to provide your email address. So and send verification. So to your email. So you're going to send verification to your email. So I'm expecting the verification. So it asked me to enter the code that was written in that color. So after written like this, you're going to press OK. So the verification code has been set to your email address. Then you're going to input the password that you want to use. So I have completed all the process. So I've gotten the verification code, and as well I've entered the the password I want to use in two times. You enter your password there, your password there. So and this is the verification code sent to me. So then you come down to input my registration code right here. So you're going to find that in my bio. So you make sure you copy the code and paste it here, because that's very important for you to be part of the community, so that you have opportunity to a lot of advantage. So you now press next. So by pressing next, so this is going to move to the next place. So the next stage is called to, it says that when you complete sign up, save master key. So this master key, you're going to copy the master key and make sure you paste that master key somewhere. Make sure you save it somewhere. It's very, very important, because you're going to need the master key later if you need to claim your token. So that master key should not lose. You must not lose it. So don't lost it. So just paste the master key somewhere like that and press OK. Then you continue. So that is just the check-in. You check in, first check-in. So you click on that. That has been marked. So that means you must be coming every day and be checking. So you get this thing now. So if you use my code, you are part of this community automatically. You have advantage of, this is testnet. What we need to do is to what is to send and receive, participate in the testnet, so that we'll be able to get the reward for our activities. And if you are part of this community, I'm not sure that we'll be able to transact together, be able to send this testnet token to each other. We receive, and in as much this, it has no value. It's just for the testing purposes. So you get this thing now. So for this reason, don't forget, don't forget, don't forget, don't forget to use the code, so that you will be part of my large community. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. So that is just that. Okay. Before I go, let me share you guys this. You see, if you click on this address book right down here, the one here, hope you can see. So if you click down there, uh hope you can see we have, then if you click on this right here, so you get this, then you are going to see something there. I just saw something, so I want to show you before I go. So you see, that is where daily quiz and daily check-in is. So immediately you come in, you click on that so that you'll be given the token to perform the transaction daily. So you get this thing now. So the more you are doing this thing, the more you'll be given, the more the reward we are going to get. So then we have assets right here. If you click on assets, then you're going to see this is what I got because I just joined the program right now, and as well. So yeah, let's I want to talk about some other things. If I can see whatever you need to know. So this daily quiz, you just click on that. It's just question and answer. So I'll be dropping the question on my channel. Don't forget to follow this channel so that whenever I mean every day you'll be able to have the answer of this quiz. So I'll be dropping the answer every day on my channels, most especially my YouTube channel and my TikTok channel. You'll be seeing the answer there every day. So please follow so that you will be able to have opportunity to do all this. I love you guys. I just want to see you. It's your boy, the Kings on the Planet as well. See you in the next